Today we have got together with our Afghani student friends who have been in a dire situation of their accommodation, education, as well as the day-to-day requirement. With that, we have by now 5-6 NGOs have got together. They are helping them. Like immediately we are with the Sikhya seekers who have been very kind to bring this every point of theirs to the media. Secondly, International Sikh Confederation was contacted by Mr. Kakkad, and he gave me the initial thing that people are not allowing us to live in their PGs, public hostel and all that. Immediately we said, who are the people? He came out with 6 people and 3 people. 3 people have been given accommodation, 3 girls in Kendri Sri Guru Singh Sabha. I have promised 6 people's accommodation at my residence. 13 Vaheguru Di Kripa de Naal, they have come out with the ration and other thing. Gurdwara Sector 15 and one of our member who have already given 5,000 to 3 students. Right? There is a Harsimran Kaur, CA's wife, Omkar Singh's wife. Right? I have contact with her also. She has said that we are promising something more. We are collecting it as and when it is.
3 girls.
For 3 girls, she has helped 5,000 rupees each. Like this only our ex-convener, General Kartar Singh Gill, I talked to his wife. He has given us 25,000 rupees for helping them immediately. Now I am trying to get on to this walking zones. There I go and tell them that this is the situation where we should come and help us. Today we have made an effort to bring down all the data of the students so that in case we want to write it to the government, then we have got everything, their passport number, their accommodation, their education, where they are and all that, and what we want to demand. Till we do not know what is our problem, we may not be able to do justification to these things, right? So that one part has been completed today. All students were called here, Kendri Sri Guru Singh Sabha Hall, and we have done this much. Mr. Kakkad and Mr. Walid, they are both of them, they are doing day in and day out the work for them, and I am sure all these people, I had addressed them, I have told them, okay, look, you should have things by chance and not by choice now. Whatever chance you get it, either for surveying or either for accommodation or for this one, don't say this accommodation is not good for me, this is not good. Get into it. When we will be in a position to give you a better thing, we will do that also. Or today we have also told them, okay, every one of you know computer, we will try and fix you up with some firms so that you do a part-time job and earn 4,000-5,000, which for your day-to-day requirement, it will be there. All this is still continuing, and we are sure when all of us and the student, they know what we want to do it and what we are capable of doing it. If these 2 things are connected together, I think we will sort out this problem. Thank you very much.